I already pre-made the mixture for this quiche with tofu, no eggs. And I use milk, tofu, black pepper, and salt. And mine is a little too thin, but if you use 2 tofu bricks, I think it works best. And I use too much milk because I eyeball my recipe. Here we have a mixture of vegetables, spinach, zucchini, kielbasa, cheese, garlic, onions, and then we fill the pie crusts with that. We'll put a little bit of the batter at the bottom, and then we're gonna fill this with the stuffing. So this is what they look like before you put the batter on top of it. All right. Make sure there's enough for the other pies, the other quiches. And the oven should be at 350 Fahrenheit degrees. I think this is the one that is the prettiest in that one over there. And this is the final result. Wait a few minutes until it cools off so we can chow down. That's it. It was in the oven for about 40 minutes because the batter was too thin. 50 minutes actually. But if you follow the recipe and use the 2 bricks of tofu and milk, not too much milk, just to make it smooth, then 30 minutes should be enough. And don't forget to give me your thumbs up or thumbs down. It doesn't matter. Just interact, guys. Thank you.